He gave me a movie nod. You know, the movie nods. You know, in the movie where they look at each other and everyone goes like that. He just gave me a movie. I've never got one of those before. Thanks, mate. This is a little banger. So
It is a banger and a half, actually.
Banger and a half. So firstly, we have a Weise Scout jacket. We have Weise Gator jeans and Weise sprint gloves for one of you to win. But you're not just going to win this. If you have a kid that wants to go biking, we're also going to give you the Bambino glove, the Tundra jean,
and
the Jago jacket for your child so you can get them kitted up. There's a nose. It's great, isn't it? You'll have seen we've done stuff on kids' clothing before. And as we're doing a little bit of work with these guys, we're like, can we please give away something? And they said, well, yeah, we'll give something away for viewers, but how about for the kids too? Ages are 6 to 16, catered for male and female.
male and female. Do you know what? So I'm going to point out this. I love this jacket because it grows with the child.
Oh, yes, yeah.
Grows with the arms, go longer. We'll delve into that a bit later on.
It's great. Right, so to win some kit for not just you, but your motorcycle-loving child, what do you have to do, Gemma?
You've got to go and like our Facebook channel, twowheelsfeels. You have to share this video and you have to comment.
Hashtag twowheelsfeels. Go follow our page, share this post and comment.
Hashtag twowheelsfeels.
There you go. That's all you need to do to enter. We'll put the closing dates up on here. And good luck to everyone. And thank you so much to Weise Duchinni for allowing us.
Yeah, no, thank you so much. This is an awesome prize.
And if you want to find out more information about this stuff, Duchinni has their own website, which you can see here. And Weise has their own website,
Which you can see here.
Good luck, everyone.
Good luck.